What's going on, guys? It's Crazy Dog here, and I wanted to make this very quick video to ask for your help. Now, prior to making this video, I just filmed the installation process start to finish on how to install the brand new beta software from Hisense, the M0414. At least I think that's what it was called. Annotation on the screen. But before I start testing, which I'm gonna do throughout this week, I wanted to ask you guys what is currently not working on your Hisense U8G, U88G, U7G, or U78G. There's a lot of people that have had a lot of different problems, whether it be very desaturated colors when it comes to HDR on consoles in 120 frames per second, whether or not it's the Google Assistant not working through the far-field microphone. Whatever issues you're experiencing, let me know so I can test it on this brand new unreleased beta. Because for me, there's only certain things that I use on the TV, and you guys have been so great in all of the past TV uploads. I feel like I'm very quickly turning into the Hisense guy, but I want your help to find your issues so I can test to see if this beta has solved those. So if you could, in the comments below, let me know what is not working on your panels. Take this video, share it with your favorite AV enthusiasts or your forums, wherever you're communicating to look for solutions, because if you're having problems and you're talking to a larger community with similar feedback or different feedback, let's get everybody involved that we can. We'll do some testing and we'll see whether or not this beta software has fixed it. So I'd like to thank you first and foremost for your I can't talk, I've been recording all day, but I want to thank you for your participation in this little social experiment to get you guys on board with different solutions and figuring things out. But until my next video, my name is Crazy Dog. You guys have been awesome, and we'll catch you all in my next one. Take care.